Welcome to Brainetainment, the channel where we explore the fascinating world of health, science, and the mind. Here we strive to unravel the mysteries of the brain, unraveling the wonders and benefits of mindfulness and meditation. This is your go-to platform for illuminating insights into how our minds work and how we can harness its power for better health. Today we're embarking on a journey to discover the health benefits of mindfulness meditation. In today's episode, we delve into the health benefits of mindfulness meditation. Stay tuned to learn more. First off, what is mindfulness meditation? At its core, mindfulness meditation is an ancient practice that invites us to center our attention on the present moment and accept it without judgment. Imagine sitting comfortably, closing your eyes and simply observing your breath. Not trying to change it, not judging if it's too fast or too slow, but simply witnessing it as it is. This involves taking a gentle, curious, and open approach towards all experiences, whether they are pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. It's about cultivating an awareness and acceptance of what is in every moment. It's not about emptying the mind or achieving a state of eternal calm. Rather, it's about noticing what's happening right now in this present moment without wishing it were different. Now that we understand what mindfulness meditation is, let's explore its numerous health benefits. One of the primary benefits of mindfulness meditation is its ability to reduce stress. Now let's delve into how this works. You see, our bodies naturally produce a hormone called cortisol. This is our main stress hormone and is responsible for our fight or flight response. However, in our modern world, we often find ourselves in situations where this response isn't appropriate or helpful. This can lead to chronic stress, which has numerous negative health impacts. Mindfulness meditation, however, helps us to regulate our response to stress. When we meditate, we're training our minds to focus on the present moment. This reduces the amount of time we spend worrying about the future or ruminating over the past, both of which can trigger our stress response. Furthermore, studies have shown that regular mindfulness meditation can actually lower our cortisol levels. This doesn't just mean we feel less stressed in the moment. Over time, this can lead to a reduction in chronic stress, improving our overall health and well-being. In addition, mindfulness meditation encourages a positive attitude towards stress. It helps us to accept that stress is a part of life and teaches us to respond to it in a healthier, more balanced way. This can make us more resilient in the face of future stresses. So, the next time you're feeling stressed, remember, mindfulness meditation might be just what you need. Another significant benefit of mindfulness meditation is improved focus. Now, imagine a world where distractions are as common as the air we breathe. Emails popping up, social media notifications beeping, and the constant chatter of our own thoughts. It's no wonder we find it hard to concentrate on one task at a time. This is where mindfulness meditation steps in. It's like a gym workout for your brain, training your mind to stay focused on the task at hand and not on the myriad of distractions that are constantly vying for our attention. It's all about being present in the moment, fully engaged with what we're doing right now, not yesterday or tomorrow, but right here, right now. Research shows that even a short period of mindfulness meditation each day can lead to significant improvements in focus and concentration. And here's the kicker. It doesn't just improve your ability to focus while you're meditating, but it extends into your everyday life too. You might find yourself more focused while working, studying, or even while having a conversation. You see, when we meditate, we're essentially practicing the art of focusing our attention and eliminating the stream of jumbled thoughts that may be crowding our mind. This process results in improved focus and attention span and reduces the tendency of our mind to wander. So if you find your mind wandering a lot, mindfulness meditation can help you stay on track. Mindfulness meditation also has profound effects on our emotional well-being. Just as we exercise to keep our bodies fit, we must also exercise our minds to promote emotional health. Mindfulness meditation is a powerful exercise for our minds that enhances emotional well-being. When we practice mindfulness meditation, we learn to observe our thoughts and emotions without judgment. We begin to understand that our thoughts and emotions are transient. They come and go, just like the clouds in the sky. This understanding helps us to detach from negative thought patterns that can lead to anxiety and depression. In addition, mindfulness meditation encourages us to live in the present moment. Often, our anxieties and worries stem from dwelling on the past or fretting about the future. Mindfulness teaches us to focus on the here and now, reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of calm. Moreover, mindfulness meditation cultivates emotional resilience. Life will always have its ups and downs, but mindfulness equips us with the ability to handle life's challenges with grace and poise. It teaches us to respond rather than react to difficult situations, preventing us from being overwhelmed by negative emotions. Finally, mindfulness meditation encourages self-compassion. It teaches us to be kind to ourselves, to forgive ourselves for our mistakes, and to treat ourselves with the same compassion we would treat a loved friend. This fosters a healthy self-esteem and promotes a positive outlook on life. As you can see, mindfulness meditation is a powerful tool for maintaining emotional health. Lastly, but certainly not least, mindfulness meditation can help you sleep better. In this constantly buzzing world, sleep can sometimes seem elusive, can't it? But the good news is, mindfulness meditation might just be the secret ingredient to a good night's rest. Let's delve into how this works. Essentially, mindfulness meditation is a practice that encourages you to slow down, to pay attention to the present, to your breath, to the rhythm of your body. It's like a cool breeze on a hot day, a soothing balm on a restless mind. And when your mind is calm, your body follows suit, preparing itself for a peaceful slumber. You see, sleep isn't merely switching off. It's a complex process, a delicate dance of biochemistry. And stress? Well, it's like a rowdy partygoer disrupting this dance. It increases the levels of cortisol, a hormone that keeps your body alert, awake. Not what you want when you're trying to catch some Z's. Mindfulness meditation, on the other hand, reduces stress. It's like the bouncer showing the rowdy partygoer the door. With reduced stress, your body can get back to its biochemical dance, preparing itself for sleep. Moreover, mindfulness meditation also helps you deal with those pesky, middle-of-the-night wake-ups. Instead of getting frustrated, you learn to simply observe your thoughts and gently guide your mind back to sleep. So if you're struggling with sleep, mindfulness meditation might be worth a try. We've covered quite a bit today, so let's quickly recap. We embarked on a journey of understanding mindfulness meditation, a practice that is as enriching as it is transformative. It's a simple yet powerful tool, accessible to all, requiring nothing more than a quiet space and a few moments of your day. We delved into the health benefits that mindfulness meditation brings to the table, starting with its ability to reduce stress. In an era where stress is as common as the air we breathe, mindfulness meditation provides a breath of fresh air, a sanctuary where we can decompress and let go of the burdens weighing on our minds. Next, we explored how mindfulness meditation improves focus. With the constant bombardment of information and distractions in the modern world, the practice of mindfulness helps us to regain control. It sharpens our attention, heightens our awareness, and empowers us to stay on task in a world that's always trying to pull us in a million different directions. We also discussed the emotional benefits that come with mindfulness meditation. It's not just about quieting the mind, but about cultivating a sense of inner peace and happiness. It enhances our emotional well-being by fostering a deeper connection with ourselves, helping us to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. Lastly, we examined how mindfulness meditation promotes better sleep. In the hustle and bustle of life, quality sleep often takes a back seat, but with mindfulness, we can create a tranquil environment conducive to restful sleep, promoting overall health and well-being. And so, we see that mindfulness meditation is more than a practice. It's a lifestyle. It's a commitment to a healthier, more focused, emotionally balanced, and restful life. It's an invitation to experience life in its full depth and richness, moment by precious moment. That's it for today's episode of Brainetainment. Stay healthy, stay mindful, and don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time.